Hello children, today we are going to learn lesson number 6, plants preparing and storing food. In this lesson we are going to discuss structure of a leaf. How leaf will be there, that we have to discuss. Process of photosynthesis, what is the process of the photosynthesis? Interdependent of plants and animals. And important of a program like a Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav means what? We have to plant the trees. That is known as a Van Mahotsav. You see many plants on the earth. You can see children, many plants on the earth. Most of these are green in a color. Almost all the plants are green in a color. This is due to because presence of the green pigment called chlorophyll in the leaves. Now why plants will be in a green color? Because in that chlorophyll, one type of a liquid, it will be present in a leaves. Chlorophyll helps the plants to make their own food. Chlorophyll which will help the plants to make their own food. Only green plants are able to utilize sunlight and carbon dioxide present in the air to make their own food. Now utilize means what? To use something. They are using something for the effective. What is the effect here? They are using for the preparing the food. This is known as a one utilizer. Utilize means what? Use something on a effective. Different plants on the earth. Food for the plants. Plants take water from the soil. It will take from the water from the soil. It takes carbon dioxide from the air. What is the food? Food for the plant? Water, carbon dioxide, sunlight. Sunlight is absorbed by the chlorophyll when it falls on the leaves. Thus, in the presence of sunlight, green leaves change air and water into the food. Now listen here, for the food for the plants, they require the food means what? They will not eat chapati bhaji. They wanted water, carbon dioxide and sunlight to prepare their own food. This diagram is there, children. They will absorb carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, the root will absorb oxygen, they will leave for us. This is a stomata. It is a help to breathe plants. Okay, small pores will be there. This full diagram, it is known as a photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means what? Plants will prepare their own food by using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Hence, water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight are needed by the leaves to make food. This food process by which plants prepare their own food is called as a photosynthesis. Now photosynthesis, just now I explained. Photosynthesis means what? Plants will prepare their own food by using the process of, they will use water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight. Different parts of a leaf. Different plants have a different types of leaves. You can see here different plants are having a different types of leaves. Here they gave leaf diagram. This is the stalk, this is the side veins, this is the midrib and this is the outline, it is a leaf blade. If we look at a leaf closely, we will see that it has a flat part called the leaf bud. Now just now I shown children, this is known as a leaf bud. It is a flat part it is. Each leaf usually has one main vein and many side veins. Now this is a main vein. Okay, it is known as a midrib, and these are a side veins. This main vein is called as a midrib. Okay, this is known as a midrib. Main vein, it is known as a midrib. Main vein and midrib, it is the same. It is made up of double pipeline of a cells. It has a double pipeline. You can see here clearly. One side this is there, one side one more pipeline it is there. One pipeline carries water and minerals to all parts of a leaf. One, it will carry water and minerals to all parts of the leaf, and one more it will carry whatever prepared food, it will carry from the parts to all the parts of the plant. The other carries prepared food from the green leaves to the other parts of the plant. If we turn the leaf over, we will see million of tiny holes called as a stomata. Small holes, small pores, it is known as a stomata. These holes help the plants to breathe. Now plants breathe through the stomata. That is, the organ is the stomata. Then stomata means what, children? The leaf will be having small tilly holes. It is known as a stomata. Function of a leaf. Now what will be the function of the leaf? That we have to see. A leaf performs the following function. It manufactures food for the plants. It helps the plants to breathe through the holes, stomata, on its surface. Manufacture means to produce. To produce the food. It helps the plant to breathe through the holes, stomata, on its surface. Some plants such as a mint, spinach and lettuce have leaves that can be eaten. Now some plants are there. Spinach, lettuce have leaves that can be eaten. We people are eating green leaves vegetables. Now spinach means you know, mint means you know, lettuce, it is also one type of a vegetable only that will be eat.